Hello student, my name is Dr. Mukesh Dixit, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, School of Engineering and Technology, Bhopal. Today's topic is types of array, one-dimensional array and two-dimensional array. First we talk about what is an array. An array is a collection of homogeneous or the same types of data element as compared to the basic data type like an integer, float, and character. It is an aggregate or derived data types. All the elements of an array occupy the sequential memory location. First question arises in our mind, why need to use an array type? Consider the following example. If we have a list of 1000 student marks of an integer types, if using the basic data type like an integer, we will declare something like the following. Int student marks 0, comma, student marks 1, comma, student marks 2, comma, student marks 999. Can you imagine how long we have to write the declaration part? By using a normal variable declaration, first we discuss some code. Int man, int student marks 1, comma, student marks 2, comma, student marks 1000, return 0 and close the curly bracket. First, we discuss the declaration of array. By using an array, we just declare like this. Int student marks 1000. Here, student marks is the name of array. 1000 is the size of array. This will reserve the 1000 sequential memory location for storing the student marks. Graphically, it can be easily explained in the following figure. There are two types of array. First is one-dimensional array. Second is multi-dimensional array. First, we discuss about one-dimensional array. The one-dimensional array refers to the array size, which is how big the array is. A single or one-dimensional array declaration has the following form. Array element data types, array name, bracket, array size. Here, array element data type define the base types of array, which is the types of each element in the array. Array name is any valid C/C++ identifier name that obey the same rule for the identifier naming. The array size define how many element of array which hold. An array can be initialized at the times of declaration, means giving an initial value to an array. The initialization of an array take the following form. First, types, array name, bracket size is equal to curly bracket, a list of values. For example, here we are giving us some example for the initialization of array. Second types of array is multi-dimensional array, and in the multi-dimensional array are most commonly used arrays two-dimensional array. A two-dimensional array has a two indexes. The first subscript refer to the row and the second to the column. The declaration has the following form. First is data type, array name, bracket, first dimension size, second bracket, second dimension size. Here are the some example for declaring the two-dimensional array. Int AB bracket 4 bracket 5 semicolon. Float CD bracket 15 bracket 20 semicolon. The first line declare AB as an integer array with 4 rows and 5 columns. The second line declare is CD as a floating point array with 15 rows and 20 columns. If we assign the initial string value for a two-dimensional array, it will look something like the following. Char, name, bracket 6 bracket 10 is equal to curly bracket double inverted quotes Mr. Beans dot 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 dot. Here we can initialize the array with 6 strings, each with maximum 9 character long. Here we show the some pictures that show the two-dimensional array in brief. Thank you. Thank you very much.